Hey there, savvy investors. If you're thinking about switching your investment accounts from Betterment to Fidelity, you're in the right place. Today, we're breaking down the step-by-step process for rolling over your account. Whether you're chasing better fees, more investment options, or just a fresh start, this guide will make it straightforward and stress-free. First off, let's quickly cover what a rollover is. It's essentially transferring your retirement funds, like an IRA, from one provider to another without triggering any taxes or penalties, as long as you do it right. Before you dive in, make sure you're eligible. Check that your Betterment account is a type that can be rolled over, such as a traditional IRA or Roth IRA. Also, verify Fidelity's requirements to ensure a smooth transition. Next, decide between a direct rollover, where funds go straight from Betterment to Fidelity, or an indirect one, where you receive a check and deposit it yourself. I recommend going direct to avoid any potential tax headaches. Now, let's get to the steps. Start by logging into your Betterment account and navigating to the Accounts or Transfers section. Look for an option to initiate a rollover or transfer out. You'll need to fill out a form with details about your Fidelity account, so, if you don't have one yet, open it first on Fidelity's website. Provide all the necessary information, like account numbers and types, and submit the request. Betterment might take a few days to process this, so keep an eye on your email for confirmations. On the Fidelity side, once Betterment sends the transfer, you'll get a notification. Log in to your Fidelity account and verify the incoming rollover. It could take anywhere from a week to a month, depending on the institutions, so be patient. Keep tabs on the progress through both platforms to ensure everything's on track. One important tip: watch out for any fees involved. Betterment or Fidelity might charge for the transfer, so factor that into your decision. Also, double-check that your investments are handled correctly during the move to avoid unintended sells or buys. If you're unsure about taxes or specifics, consult a financial advisor. They're worth their weight in gold for personalized advice. And there you have it. Rolling over from Betterment to Fidelity doesn't have to be complicated. By following these steps, you'll be all set to manage your investments more effectively. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more financial tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and happy investing.